Abstract, Introduction, Problem Statement, Objectives, Methodology, Software and Hardware Specifications. Abstract. As our topic is an IoT-based water quality monitoring system, this helps to work the process smarter and it helps in our day-to-day life. As using IoT sensors, we can measure the pH, temperature and turbidity of our water, which helps us to say that the water is pure or safe for drinking purpose or not. Introduction. As we know that earlier days, IoT devices are very less, so traditional manual work includes a lot of time and time consuming. Even it requires more efforts and cost. So using IoT devices, we can do it in a faster way using sensors like pH, potential to the hydrogen, pH meter we can use to check the pH level of the water, turbidity, TDS meter we can check the turbidity of the water. If the turbidity is very low, then the water quality is pure and it is useful for the drinking purposes. And if the turbidity is very much higher, then the water is inconsistent and insufficient for drinking purposes. And temperature, using thermometer we can check the temperature of the water. So using these IoT devices we can check, and using these sensors, the data is sent to the cloud platform where we can analyze and process the data. So if the water is inconsistent or the contaminated, then the signals are sent and the alerts are activated. So by using that we can make more sufficient, and it helps in our day-to-day life for smart homes, industries and also in the farms. Next part will be continued by Bhumi.
Hello everyone, myself Bhumika. I am handling the problem statement. IoT-based water quality monitoring, in which we have analyzed the pH meter and turbidity and temperature. Objective: to develop the smart system and monitoring the water quality in a real time using IoT devices. We have analyzed the and creating the creating the automatic system and used to check the water quality and using the data and it helps to water purification and clearance to manual testing to measure the key parameters like pH and turbidity and temperature accuracy. We have water condition and self-purpose we are using, and to send the data to cloud remote accessing and instant contamination alternative. Next will be
Establish connection between controller, sensor and network. The connection setup between the controller, sensor and network. The proper data communication for data transfer. Next step is read sensor value. The sensor measure to the real-time data such as temperature, humidity, and pressure depending on the application. Next, upload data on the cloud. The collected data is uploaded to the cloud data uploaded to the system analysis and remote access. Next, sensor value greater threshold. The system compares value the present threshold value. The value higher than the threshold, take action. If not continue monitoring. Communicate to the concerned end users. When abnormal reading data detected, the system automatically send the message, SMS, email and app address. Next, continue to the Basama.
Hello everyone, myself Basama. I am handling the software and hardware requirements. Software components are Arduino IDE. It is a programming of
microcontroller. It provides simple and efficient interfaces for developing embedded applications. And embedded C and C++. It is a coding language for and next will be a cloud platform. It is enable remote data storage, analysis and virtualizations of sensor dominations and time through IoT connections. Next will be data visualizations. It is used for graphical representation of water and monitoring and analysis. Next will be hardware components. Microcontroller. It is a Arduino. pH sensors, turbidity sensors and temperature sensors. pH sensors are measurable of acidity and alkalinity of water. Turbidity sensors are determine the impurity of the water. And temperature sensors, it requires the water temperature used to monitor the varieties of the water. And next will be a Wi-Fi module. It is a wireless connectivity for the transmitting the form of Android and the IoT and cloud computing. Power supply. It is a uninterrupted power of the system of continuous operations. Display. It is a display real-time reading of the pH, turbidity and temperature and combining innovation, safety and the automation for a better future. Thank you.